How to get Tamara Card online. So let's get started. The Tamara Card offers a convenient way to manage your payments, allowing you to split purchase or pay in full at numerous stores that accept MasterCard. And this is how you apply it for online. Go to any web browser and in search address bar type down the Tamara Card and hit enter. Now, once done so, you will get to see Tamara Card Apple Pay option available there. Tap on it. Now, simply get your Tamara card and enjoy the freedom to shop wherever MasterCard is accepted. All you have to do is open the Tamara app and tap on the My Tamara card and hit the Add to Apple Wallet button and follow the on-screen instructions and you are ready to go. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel and thank you so much for watching.